And today I'm here with you, sharing with you a new and great video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and must press the bell icon to get always new videos on my channel to get fast services. So today we will talk about how to earn money with cryptocurrency. This is the main topic of these days, and so let's start how to earn money. We will talk about this other cryptocurrency and how to earn Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. So let's start. So yes, how to make money online cryptocurrency in USA. So earn money with CoinList, because I'm affiliated today. We are early adopter traded coin create CoinList.com. When your references join and trade on CoinList Pro, you will earn 50% of their trading fees, and traders you refer pay lower trading fees for 6 months on CoinList Pro. Powered is written DeFi. ISO and Android app. Earn stake rewards. Access new tokens. Earn yield. Brands Bitcoin, Filecoin, Ethereum, Wrapped. And here's the other great site. Crypto payment applies. Open a free account today. Apply for global payment. Circle.com. Accept GS, DC, card, bank, wire, and ACH payments that settle in USDC for to your Circle account. Circle APIs are the next generation payment processing solution for. There is other great site to search everything for here. Invest with just $5 automatic investments. Join Stash and become a investor in 2 minutes. Get the help you need to build long-term financial sources. Forget day trading. Be an inventor in 2 minutes. Get financial education. Assess frictional shares, building long-term wealth service. Invest for your children. Start into it. This is a great site, and another great site. This is you can search here. Sign up and start earning today. Up to 30% back in Bitcoin free money where you show lolly.com. Lolly makes it safe, simple, and fun for everyone to own Bitcoin. Lolly earn Bitcoin when you shop online at leading brands, up to 30% back. Shop at over 1,000+ brands. Earn free money types, travel, electronic, clothing, home decor, gifts. And this is the great side. The great side 6 ways to earn free crypto and what you should know before you collect. US staking means leaving cryptocurrency in your wallet or device. You can look online to find when airdrop projects are happening. People also know how can I make money online with cryptocurrency. Is it legal to buy cryptocurrency in USA? How can I invest in cryptocurrency in USA? And this is the good side also. This is how you can make money with cryptocurrency 2021 still. It can you make money with cryptocurrency? What are the way you can make money with crypto? Click to find out how to make money with cryptocurrency. NBC 10, Philippines. Same is this is the great side and latest. You can make money with cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum if you are smart. Here are fast as buying, trading, and a profit of. And the great side also how to earn cryptocurrency 12 safe effortless methods. Coin in Zilla Academy. The best way to earn cryptocurrency in buying, obviously, but you can also start mining, join airdrops, freelance, or become a publisher. This is a great site also, and here are many sites you can search and visit to buy. And here are many coins. You can check Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Monero. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy and get many adventures. Thank you. Goodbye.